everyone. Good evening. How are you guys doing? It's been a while since the last time I posted a video here in YouTube. And yeah, I just feel like I want to do it again. So I just want to share something, that happened in my new year with my family and what I did. Actually, it's Sunday evening here in the Philippines. It's like almost 10 p.m. I just get home because my sister and I and my friends, we went swimming. Yes, because it's Sunday. So Sunday is fun day. So, So I just want to share something that I did last New Year. So I celebrated it with my family. It was great. And then one of my closest friend. We ate a little bit, just a little bit drinking. Not totally drunk, just not tipsy too. So yeah, we just have some wine. And 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 I tried that trend because there's a trend and on TikTok and Facebook about eating 12 grapes under the table. So I tried it because I find it funny and I just want to try if it's gonna work. But I don't know. I feel like it didn't work out. I don't know. They said I watched some videos that they wish something and it happened. Yeah, they did it last year, last year, last 2023, I think, New Year. Um, waiting to 2024, and then yeah, there are things that they wish happen. So I just try, but of course, for me, if it's God's will, it's God's will. If it's for you, it's for you. Mm-hmm. But I just tried it. I did it. I find it funny, as I said. And I almost choked because I tried to finish it before, like until 12:01, because you have to do it like in 1 minute from 12 a.m. to 12:01. So I really, I didn't even swallow it, you know and then it was a big grapes. Oh my god, I shouldn't buy the big one because it's really hard to swallow. So yeah, so I finished it until 12:01, and this what happened. The first New Year, like in January 1, okay, someone steal my money. Like, I don't know if it's just a coincidence or probably, I don't know. I think it's a bad luck or something because they said it's a good luck, but hopefully it's not. But first day of January, it was crazy because 2025, because I lost I lost money, like someone steal my money, here at home. And then second, I got a cough. I was like, oh my god, I think it didn't work, but I don't know. Of course, for me, as I said, if it's God's will, it's God's will. If it's for you, it's for you. And yeah, I just tried it because I find it funny. And I just a little bit, a little bit hoping that probably those things that I said will happen. But of course, the better way is to say it directly to God, to wish it to pray it to Him and ask from Him all the things that you wanted, not because of the grapes. But I just tried it. Yeah, and I celebrated my birthday. Yeah, just have a little photo shoot. Uh-huh. So I turned 28 last January too. Yeah, I'm getting older now. Like, oh my god, baby, where are you? So I started going to gym to make, to be more healthier, as I said on my video last year, that there are things that I wanted to change, like not a drinking. I'm not totally, I'm not a drinker naman, but limit the drinking, going out. Although most of the time I don't totally do it now, but of course there's a time that I drink. So that's one of the things that I would love to change, and I'm starting doing it slowly, and going back to the track, going to the gym. That's what I did. I already started it, everything. And then yeah, to make more, to be more healthier, and to gain a lot of knowledge. That's what I'm doing now, trying to slowly trying to improve myself to be a better person. And Actually, you know what I did? I deactivated my Facebook account, and I'm planning to do it on my TikTok as well. Cause you know I tried it. It's the second day now that I don't have any Facebook. Oh, I just use I'm just using a messenger for the communication with my colleagues, with my family, like that, my friends. But the Facebook, I stopped using it because you know it's kind of toxic, and I like, to be honest, like when every time I open my Facebook, like it takes a lot of times for me. Like I spend a lot of times on social media, and the things that I should do, I didn't do it because I'm scrolling in Facebook like that. So I tried to be more like to use my time um properly, and with this you know, with the purpose, you know, because all the time I was in a, you know, every time I open my Facebook or TikTok, just scrolling everywhere. So that's what I'm doing now, you know, slow little by little, step by step, you know, to become better, you know, 'cause that's my goal now in 2025, and I'm trying my best, you know, I'm doing my best to do it, you know, not right away, but at least, you know, there's an improvement, you know, at least, you know, little by little, the things that I want, I do it, like it's happening. Mm-hmm. So yeah, that's what I do. And for my exam and everything, for the job that I have, although there's a few things that I want to do this year, but I'm still considering it, you know. But I was just gonna tell you guys if ever it happened, the things that I wanted, because you know, I don't want to say it here that it didn't happen yet. I want to, you know, I want to surprise you, charot. But anyway, yeah, hopefully, cross finger that everything that I wanted, you know, God will guide me, that it will happen. So yeah, that's the only thing that I want to share with you guys. And that no impossible if you start it with yourself. Like now I want, you know, to be more like discipline myself to the things that, you know, the things that I did before. It shouldn't be like slowly talaga. That's what I do now, to be more like healthier na nga. So yeah, and then so no more pressure this year na. Oh, I'm still waiting for the right guy. Chatting, yeah, you know, that's the missing one. Although I'm so grateful in the things that happening with me. Although there's a time that I feel sad, you know. No, I'm still in the healing process at the same time. But now I'm so happy and grateful. So yeah, I hope you guys had a great day. Have a great month. You know, January is so fast. You know, February is coming soon. Like, oh my God, I'm thinking if who will invite me, or who will ask me to be their date, right? But anyway, just kidding aside. But yeah, so it was great, and I hope you guys have a great day, and always take care, and see you soon. Thank you for watching.